Hi, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we are going to see how to compress the video footage without losing its quality. So let's get started. First, we have to install the software called Handbrake. I have already installed this software, so I won't reinstall it. Now, when you open this application, you will get to see this interface. Here it is asking you to drop the video footage that you want to compress. For example, I am going to import this clip of ocean waves, which is currently 255 megabytes. You can see the video quality, it is full HD. After importing the clip in the application, you will see many options or tabs to explore, but we will focus only on the preset today. In the preset tab, there are many presets available for compression. You can choose whatever is best for you. For this instance, I am going to choose the web preset. After selecting the preset, we need to start the encoding. The encoding process is little time taking, so I will fast forward it for you. Now you can see the size and the quality of the video footage. It is now only 49.5 megabytes, and the quality of the footage is just like before. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.